So today we'll be doing a daily plan with me. So I'll choose a random day and I'm just gonna plan the whole day out with you guys. So I'm going to use this insert. This is a daily plan on one page. So right here is a Monday start. We also have Sunday starts. Now I've been starting to do Monday and Sunday starts in my inserts. So let's begin planning. So I'm going to use my half letter as a base to write on. And then I'm going to use this My Liner and highlighter. Today is a Saturday. And the date is, let's check our monthly calendar. Honestly, today is the 30th. So today, the things I'm gonna really do is release the new inserts. I spelled release wrong. Release new inserts, which I did, and then reply to DMs. Maybe create more inserts. Maybe I'm gonna put maybe. I might be taking a break today. What else will we be doing today? Maybe play a little games. I like Minecraft, Blooms, or League, since we all need a break, right? And then I have to organize my desk. And then I have to film videos. And I have to look over my planners. If I have to like update stuff, like the monthlies. Check the weeklies. If I have anything else to do. Yeah. I did change my bedding yesterday, so I don't need to write that. I just gotta do all these, but obviously it's not gonna be in the same order. I might be doing like play my games first, and then I'll do reply DMs or create more inserts, stuff like that. So these ones are just things I have to remind myself I have to do. I don't have to do it exactly today. I can do it another day. I gotta hang my board up in my room. Gotta remind my dad to do that for me. And then yeah, I don't really fill out a lot of things sometimes. Sometimes it's really like simple tasks and I do that. But that's what I have currently in my dailies. I'm just gonna put it in here. So sometimes if I can't fit all of these in my weeklies, look right here, like it's too small, right? I could put it here obviously, but then I want to do these tasks on this day. I can also put it on this task, but it depends on which days I want to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this daily plan with me insert. I'm just doing some more videos this month and trying to release more things every week. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Bye.